This video explains how to buy shares of the Timken Company, an industrial manufacturer of bearings and power transmission components listed on NASDAQ under the ticker TKR. This is an educational guide and not investment advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search box and type the ticker TKR to find the Timken Company listing. Select the result that explicitly shows the Timken Company on NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Double-check the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker TKR to confirm it is the right stock. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, review the order details, and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps.